Hello, this is Wicked Shrapnel, and you guys talked me into building my own computer. I was going to just buy a computer from Main Gear or Origin, but you guys talked me out of it. So I ordered some parts, I think from Newegg, some from Amazon, and I got all the stuff from Amazon. I think I got most of it. Still stuff on the way. So this is not going to be a complete PC build video, but I did get the case, so I'm going to bust the case out and let's see what I got in this box. Amazon, I buy a lot of stuff from Amazon because I have Amazon Prime, so I get like instant shipping. They ship it so fast. Alright, so holy moly, look at the size of this power supply. 1200 watt power supply. I think my electric bill is probably going to double. That is the biggest power supply that I've ever seen. This is an SSD. I'm supposed to have two of these. I think they're coming in separate shipments. I got some Arctic Silver thermal compound. Let's see how big this is. And this is a 120 gigabyte SSD for Corsair, 555 megabyte read and 515 megabyte write. Wow, look how small it is. It's a teeny and tiny. And does it have a adapter? So it'll go into a larger hard drive slots. Yes, it does. So nice. And I'm going to have two of these in a RAID 0, and that is going to be my system drive. So I should have over a gigabyte read and write on my system drive. And that totally gives me a boner. Alright. And the motherboard is a Sabertooth P67. The Rev 3.0 new P67 B3 revision. And let's see if we can see it. This thing looks pretty sweet. Bust it out. Bam! Motherboard. Bam! This thing looks different than any motherboard I've ever seen. It has thermal armor. So this whole cover, I guess, keeps some of the heat off from all the components off of the board. Looks pretty cool. Nice. I haven't got my memory yet. But I got some, I forget the brand is. It's like Munchkin Ridgeback 2133 megahertz. Pretty fast RAM. So I only got 8 gigabytes of RAM, but it's the fastest RAM that I think is even available at the moment. So I opted for the faster RAM rather than the quantity of RAM. Let me get this back in here. Kitty, you gonna build a computer? Alright. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, some closed liquid cooling. So this is the Corsair H60, which liquid cooling is good if you're going to do overclocking. And this is, they call it like closed loop. Some liquid cooling, like you have to like refill the liquid, but this is all closed, so it's maintenance free, and I like maintenance free. Alright, so this is all the parts that I got so far. Liquid cooling, power supply, motherboard, one hard drive. So I still have more stuff coming, still have my RAM coming, and another hard drive, and the CPU. I ordered a i7-2600K CPU I'm going to have. So, alright, let me see what the case looks like. So this is a Corsair Obsidian 650D. This is actually the mid-size case, I think. There was a bigger one than this. But bigger is not always better. Out of here. There we go. Alright. I always keep my boxes, all the packing material. You never know. Alright. The unveiling. Looks like it's on its side. Ready for the unveiling? Pardon me, super power supply. Ta-da! That was a pretty weak unveiling. We get all this plastic off. It's a good sized case. This doesn't seem like mid-sized to me, I guess. I guess by today's standards, they make some pretty big computer cases these days. Big fan up front. Pops in there. Nice. And this is the first computer I've ever owned that has a window. I've never got a window on a computer before. So now I have to do a good wiring job. I've not been one to really do neat wiring on my PCs in the past. Nice, that pops right off. And but this looks like it's got some. It's pretty easy to pop the sides off. I like that. This has some nice, like all these grommets in the back so you can run the wires. Do a pretty easy wiring job, it looks like. So I'm going to wire this one up pretty good. I'll do a good job. And I don't know if this beast of a power supply, where's this thing, how it goes on the bottom. This thing is a beast. Let's open this up. See if the box is like deceiving. See how big it actually is. Oh, not the monster! Shake it, shake it, shake it! There we go. Check it. It's really in there. Let's try this way. Come on out. There you go. Right. Monster. Okay, so little bag. So it's modular. There's all the cables. They're all wrapped. Very pretty. Very pretty, pretty wires. And there's even little zip ties. Here's the beast. It comes in a nice little felt bag. Kind of like some Crown Royal. Alright, It's still a beast, but when I saw this box, I was thinking this thing was bigger than it actually is. Still, it's a sexy power supply. Corsair. So I got a lot of Corsair stuff. So, I guess, let's see, let me make sure it fits. Tight squeeze, but it fits like a glove. Very nice, very nice. Looks like there's some thumb screws that I should probably take it out. So it fits right in there. Alright, well, I think that's all I'm going to do for now. I just wanted to open this stuff up, take a look at it. A lot of wires in here. Let's see what we got. Free the wires. It looks like got a slot on top. There's something that slides in the top, but I don't see it. Something's supposed to be there. It's got like a SATA connector and a SATA power connector. Oh, and I'm missing my CD drive too. Well, I'll figure it all out eventually. Down here, nothing in there. Nothing else in the box. Very strange. Very strange. I'll read the book. Maybe it was an optional component that I did not order. Alright, well that's all I have for now. I just made a big mess of my table. And eventually I'll put some stuff together. But it'd be a pretty long video if I showed every single step of the process. It'd be a couple hours. So I'm going to end here, and I'll probably do another video later when I get some more stuff. And I think I saw my processor might not even get here till next week. So that kind of sucks. So I got most of the stuff here, but I'm going to be waiting on my processor. Oh well. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for talking me into building another computer again. I know it saved me at least $1,000, but I got to pick all the stuff that I actually wanted. So hopefully all the stuff actually works and I don't have any bad parts. So until next time, take it easy.